From a dairy farm in small-town Wisconsin to Concordia's pre-med program, Amber is among the many students who come to CUW for its excellent reputation in healthcare education with popular nursing, pharmacy, athletic training, physical therapy, and pre-health professional programs. A unique approach to education prepares students to lead with faith and compassion. Amber, tell us how the supportive Christian environment has shaped your journey.
Thanks, Alex. Welcome, everyone. I first discovered the world of health sciences while working on a science fair project with my dad. Growing up on a farm, he taught me all about animals and their genetics. That's when the idea of becoming a doctor solidified in my mind. Plus, my mom is a proud alum, so when she told me about Concordia University's biomedical science major, I was sold. CUW has been the perfect fit for me because of its academic, athletic, and spiritual opportunities. I grew up in the Lutheran Church, so I love being a part of a healthcare program that teaches us how we can integrate our faith into our future vocations. As a future doctor, I want to help people in need, so being able to practice my faith in the classroom has been very meaningful to me. I'm also able to make genuine relationships with my professors and classmates. This kind of community sets CUW apart from other healthcare programs. On campus, I'm involved in student ministry and a member of the track and field team, which has really enriched my college experience outside of the classroom. But the most impactful part of my time here has been my research project on leukemia, where I work with mouse cells. Under the guidance of my faculty advisor, I'm learning laboratory skills, discovering more about genetics, and earning a research certificate right here on campus. Experiential learning exemplifies the unique opportunities students expect to receive here. If you're seeking a place that offers academic excellence, spiritual growth, and a tight-knit community, it's right here. Concordia has given me opportunities in all aspects of my life, and it's prepared me for my next adventure, medical school. God's blessings, and let's go CUW. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Amber. Your story embodies what healthcare education at Concordia University Wisconsin is all about: excellence, empathy, and the unwavering belief in service to humanity. Let's carry forward the inspiration from these stories of dedication, faith, and transformative education. Take care, Amber.